Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hey, my name is Kearia. How are you? If you are a current subscriber, hey y'all, what y'all been up to? Please let me know in the comments below. I do not have any makeup on because I literally just wanted to show you guys this wig, and I'm going to get a facial. So no makeup for the intro. I'm sorry, guys. No lashes. I'm sorry. But anyway, so I just installed this wig. So if you like this look and you would like to do this for yourself at home, then please continue watching this video. Do not forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Twitter and also on my business page, Shoplabelleiman.com. Without further ado, let's just jump right into this video.
Hey guys, so I actually did like a quick little head start with this video. I was actually rushing, so as you can see, I'm showing you guys that I'm using the um, Got to Be freeze spray. I've already blow dried my hair. I'm just touching it to see if it's dry, and it is. So now it is time to actually cut my wig cap. So I'm starting in the middle, as you can see, with just like some plain scissors. But then, since this is a very intricate cut, I just wanted to use like this little razor that I got from the beauty supply. I honestly don't really know the name of it. I just know it's like at the counter. It's like 99¢, maybe 109 with tax probably. And I'm just cutting off the excess cap for the wig cap or whatever. So this is pretty intricate because I just want to make sure that I'm cutting off as much as possible, and I'm just trying not to cut like my ear or cut any hair of mine or whatever. I'm just trying to make sure I'm just being as neat and as aware. I can't even think of a word. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm just cutting off as much lace as possible, like any excess, not even lace, oh my goodness, cutting off as much of the wig cap as possible without ruining the glued down part. And as you can see with the wig cap, I just have my hair straight back. I straightened my hair, then I sprayed it with some freeze spray to make sure that it wouldn't move. And then I did like sleek down my edges as well. So that's how my hair is under the cap. So if you don't know how to braid, I would strongly suggest just straightening your hair. Just make sure you can get it as straight as you can, and then just brushing it back and using like the freeze spray and like a little edge control just to lay your hair down. Like your hair should be as flat as you possibly can if you don't know how to braid. That's just my personal opinion. I'm not a professional, but that's just what I recommend. That's what works for me. But again, I'm not a professional. If you have any ideas or suggestions of like how to make it better, please let me know in the comments below. But anyway, that's really all I'm doing for this part. I'm just cutting off as much of the cap as possible, trying to be as neat as possible. Just getting like all those little extra pieces just hanging off of the cap. Okay, so we are done cutting, so now it is time to use the Got to Be glued gel, and I always use the one in the black little bottle because I feel like the black bottle holds a little bit more. It's like a little bit stronger, so that's what I use. So as you can see, I'm just putting the gel over like the cut pieces of the wig cap, so this can just ensure that the cap lays down flat and like those little extra pieces just won't roll up. So that's what I'm doing. The Got to Be glue gel is not permanent. This is not for long time wear. This is just like a quick little hairstyle. Like I'm literally doing this just for the weekend, just for my birthday, and then after my birthday I'll probably take this wig off and I might put it back on, wash my hair, I don't know. But I am not intending on wearing this wig for more than the weekend, honestly. So it's just easy, quick to do, simple, in my opinion, it's just simple. So yeah, I just applied one layer, as you can see, and now I am actually going to let this dry a little bit, because you just can't put your wig on with wet glue. It's not gonna stick. It's not gonna stick. So now it is just time to blow dry. I have my hair, well, not my hair, I have my blow dryer set on like high heat, so I'm just gonna let this go for, I don't know, maybe like 5 to 6 minutes, I believe. Just blow dry my hair, that's all. Nothing more, nothing to see. That's why I just sped this part up. It's really nothing to see at this moment. Okay, so my hair is all dry, and I actually just want to take an additional step to make sure that my cap blends in as much as possible, and it actually makes my cap will look like a scalp once I apply the wig. So I use my Fenty Beauty bronzer, and I believe the color is Caramel Cutie. So I'm just putting like the bronzer like around just the edges of my I guess wig, hair, forehead, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just applying the bronzer just all around. Again, this is going to be pretty repetitive, so I'll just speed this part up. It's really self-explanatory. Okay, so now it is time for the wig. I got my wig from Jaja Hair. It's actually a company on Amazon. That was shocking to me. I was very shocked about the curl pattern. It's very pretty, very soft. It was naturally curly without any products. So I washed the hair, conditioned it, and I did bleach the knots off camera. But if that's something that you want to see in the future, please let me know, and then we can make that happen. But yeah, for the purpose of this video, I was really just trying to get this done so I can get to my appointment on time. And I was just really just trying something new, because I really don't do too many hair videos or wig reviews on my channel. But if you guys enjoy this, please let me know, and then we can do a few more in the future. So I already styled the hair, and I made my part for how I wanted it to be, like on my mannequin head, like the night before. So now I'm just placing it on my head for the first time. Like I never actually tried it on, so I'm just really just getting a feel for the wig. What else? What else? What else? I can't really think, but the hair is very, very soft, very curly naturally, and this is a 1B 10-inch curly bob wig. So now that I got the good fit on the wig, it's time to add an additional layer of the Gots to Be glue hair gel, just to make sure that this wig can stick. And remember, this is a temporary hold. I'm not using like the bold hold tape, because this is just really for the weekend, and if I need to do any touch-ups, I can honestly do that. So I'm not really worried about like longevity or like getting my hair wet. Like we're just going away for the weekend for my birthday, so I'm just trying to make this last for at least 2 to 3 days, and then I can always touch it up. So that's all I'm doing right now, just adding another thin layer, just to make sure that the wig can stick and it's not going anywhere for this time being. Like, I have not installed a wig on myself in maybe like a year and a half, almost 2 years. I don't know, but this has been a long time coming, and honestly, I am shocked with what I did, because like I'm impressed with myself if I haven't applied a wig in so long. And it's very, very simple. Like, I know it can appear to be like hard or difficult, but it's so easy, and then you actually just get better with practice. So without that little spiel, as you can see, I'm just pressing the wig in. I'm just applying a little pressure just to make sure that the glue sticks, make sure it's not moving. Just getting a quick feel for it. So you just want to do that just to make sure like your wig doesn't move, and then you can figure out how you want it to lay before you actually cut your lace. Okay, so this is the part where you actually want to take your time, and actually if you have like some clips or something to pull the hair back, I would strongly recommend that. Again, I was rushing, so I was just trying to get it done. I really didn't care. Like, I was like, I can make it work, I'll fix it later. But I strongly recommend just clipping the hair back. And also, as you can see, like the way I'm cutting it like with a zigzag method, because like the hairline is not straight across. And if you cut it straight across, it's gonna look like a band, and it's gonna look just like a wig that you got off a mannequin from like the 99-cent store. I mean, if that's how you want to look, that's fine, but that's not the look that I was going for in this video. But yeah, so I just want to do like a zigzag cut because it makes it look more natural, more believable versus just a straight line right across my forehead. So you can see I switched from the scissors back to the razor. I'm actually going to use them like back and forth. I'll be switching out just to make sure I can get those small little intricate cuts like closer to the hairline. So I don't really think I have anything else to say. I'll just let you guys just watch. But yeah, that's all I'm doing for this portion right now. Okay, so now I am actually adding like a couple of baby hairs. Me personally, I don't like baby hairs on me, but I feel like baby hairs look so cute on everybody else. It's just me, I feel like I look stupid, so I really don't like it. So I'm basically just cutting some of the hairs so they can just be like small, flat baby hairs, but I'm not really gonna do like the whole swoops and the swirls. Like, I feel like that looks so cute on everybody else, but it does not look right on me. Like, I feel like I look like a clown. So I'm just literally just going to cut a few just so I can have like edges or whatever, but I'm not going to be doing like the swoops and stuff. Maybe in another video, maybe I'll try it again, but for this video and for the purposes of making my appointment on time, I am not doing the little swoopsie in the baby hairs and the little loops. Nope. I'm just going to do the bare minimum, make it look cute so I won't miss my appointment. Okay, the edges are done, so now I'm just trying to lightly just style the hair so I can get out of the house. So I'm using the ORS Curls Unleashed styling gel. I love this gel. I actually use this on my natural hair. I love the way it smells. I love the way it pulls out my curl pattern. Like, this gel is amazing. I honestly don't know how much it costs because I got this when I had my Curl Box hair subscription. I'm no longer subscribed to them, but I did receive a couple of good products from them during my subscription. So yeah, so as you can see, I'm just pushing a little of the hair behind my ear. I have my edges laid down, so I'm just really just bringing out the curl pattern with this gel. And you only need a little bit. If you use too much, it will actually weigh down your hair, and that goes for the wig and my natural hair. I've noticed that. So you just need a little bit just to make sure you get the hair, get the roots, and get the ends so it can all blend in. I honestly want to say, like, this wig is amazing. Like, this wig was around like $60. I got it from Amazon. I actually got it at the last minute. Like, this wig is so soft, so fluffy. It's so pretty. The curl pattern is amazing. The only thing with this wig is that it does shed. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I don't know if it's shedding because I bleached the knots or I plucked it a little bit. I really don't know, but this wig does shed. Like, if you run your hands through it, it will shed. You saw it on my hands when I showed you guys the foam. So I'm actually using the Miss Jessie's Curls Unleashed, and this is actually from the Grapeseed collection. I love this foam. I used this foam all last summer on my hair. Oh, it smells so good, and it's like the final step for curly hair. Like, it's just amazing. It just makes the curls stand out even more, and it's not hard or crunchy or flaky at the end of the day. It's still soft, smooth, bouncy curls. I love it. I highly recommend this if you have curly natural hair, if you have a curly wig, curly clip-ins, curly whatever sew-in. I highly recommend this foam. Like, it's amazing. So this is actually the final look. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please also follow me on my Instagram so you can see how I'm going to pull this look off on my birthday. Like, I'm really not styling it up. You really can't see it because I don't have like no makeup on. I don't have my lashes on. I don't have like the look all together, like my fit. Follow me on my Instagram so you can see my birthday post. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you want to see in the next video. Until next time, thank you guys for watching. Bye, y'all.